Hello and welcome to Oh My Tech. In this video, we'll be discussing the latest tech trends and gadgets that have hit the market. From smartphones to laptops, we'll cover it all. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the latest smartphones that have hit the market. We have seen some amazing new releases in the past year, such as the iPhone 13, Samsung Galaxy S21 and Google Pixel 6. These phones come with amazing features such as powerful cameras, fast processors, and long-lasting batteries. But which one is the best for you? Stick around till the end of this video to find out. Moving on, let's discuss some of the best laptops for productivity and gaming. The past year has seen a huge surge in demand for laptops due to the pandemic and remote work. Some of the top laptops in the market right now include the Apple MacBook Pro M1 Dual XPS 13 and Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. These laptops come with great features such as high-end processors, stunning displays, and long battery life.
Lastly, let's talk about some of the latest gadgets that are making waves in the tech industry. From smartwatches to smart speakers, these gadgets are transforming the way we live and work. Some of the popular gadgets include the Apple Watch Series 7, Amazon Echo Dot, 4th Gen, and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. These gadgets are packed with advanced features such as fitness tracking, voice assistance, and smart home controls. So, that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this roundup of the latest tech trends and gadgets in the market. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.